Another one is Katuma.
Chairman, I'm Frederick.
You are free to go to council.
And my colleague, Mr. Katumba, Mr. Kalibala is not present in this post. He's in this post, that's why he's not. Mr. Chairman, I joined the issue with my senior colleague that because the year ends on the 31st, the process of inspecting chambers starts near the end of the year and also continues up to the end of, in January and also February. And the law council can only issue practicing certificates after they are inspected chambers. So it is correct that we have a grace period up to the 1st of March. So apart from my colleague who has been given special dispensation, today my colleague Mr. Moore was correct that all of us, myself inclusive, don't have PCs for 2025. So we are just acting under the umbrella of the we urge and kindly ask the court to accommodate us, just like the other courts have done, because that is the practice. Otherwise, we will bring out of the court.
So, Council, are you ready to proceed with the proceedings?
My colleagues have raised the issue of getting an opportunity to talk to the client. It is correct that when we came in, there was a detailed security arrangement and a delay. We were not able to speak to the clients. It's also correct, Mr. Chairman, that accessing the accused persons of zero active responsibility. So, unless there is an order from the court that their lawyers can access them freely, might appear impractical to ask for some dispensation, so that because, Mr. Chairman, the strict application of the rule that advocate referred to is not quite practical in the current circumstances, and yet for the accused persons, they are entitled to representation. So perhaps as the prosecution, the judge advocate, and the court can find a way around which is flexible, which will accommodate so that the accused persons are represented, because the most important thing is for the accused persons to have representation. So we kindly ask, because it's within the powers of this court, to make that dispensation, but also to speak to them so that we don't come here and speak on our own before we have time from them in such a civil action.
Just the procedural matter, Mr. Chairman. In light of the evidence given by the judge advocate and the pronouncements made by the court of the panel, we are at a loss as to the fate of the ruling which has been pending before this honorable court, because the matter was adjourned. The question that has been put to council is when it's ready to proceed, and severally this matter has been adjourned for purposes of delivering a ruling, and it's me who made the submissions. And from the list they have read, it would appear I had no rulings. So, Mr. Chairman, would that ruling be still valid? Does it still stand that we wait for a ruling which was, which is going to be based on submissions made by an advocate who presumably had no audience before this honorable court? So that is a serious procedural matter, so that if it is put out of the way, their desire and anticipation will have been addressed. It's okay.
Sir, the ruling can be delivered. Yes, because he says he wants law, and I'm being misquoted that I am trying to stick to the rules. If you have been practicing in the civil courts, they know you. But if you are coming here and you have never been here, we don't know that even last year you are practicing. And what I am advising the court is that you must bring last year's certificate to know that you are in a grace period. Others have filed it. So, sir, there is no strict terms I'm bringing. That is my advice, and the ruling, it has always been read. It can also be delivered so that Council Kwako gets to know about the ruling, and we proceed from there.
Mr. Chairman, the polite request which is still on the floor is that we have a chance to speak to the clients. Yes, otherwise, but Mr. Chairman,
Because I don't know. Because what if it was read last time? What would have happened?
Mr. Chairman, the factual position as of now is that the ruling has not been done. So we kindly request, Mr. Chairman, that you permit us to speak with the accused persons. Hopefully, and perhaps before the ruling, we never know, we may have different instructions after the spoken word. We kindly request that you are